Hey everyone, welcome back to Power Pro Academy. In today's video, we are diving into Power Pages, one of the key components of the Microsoft Power Platform. And yes, it's an important topic for your PL-900 Power Platform Fundamental Certification exam. If you are preparing for PL-900, this video is a must-watch. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Power Pages? Power Pages is a low-code, no-code tool that allows you to create external faces website securely and efficiently. Think of it as a power platform where customers, partners, or vendors outside your organization can interact with your business data, like submitting forms, tracking cases, or accessing resources. Power Pages was previously known as Power App Portal, but it's now a standalone product with more modern features and a revamped design studio. So, what are the capabilities of Power Pages? Let's talk about what Power Pages can do. It has a drag and drop design studio to create web pages without writing any code. You get template based on website to kickstart your projects. The pages are fully responsive, which means they work great on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Power Pages connects directly with Microsoft Database, letting you show data, capture input, and manage permissions. You can add authentication using Microsoft Intra ID, Google, Facebook, or even local logins. And for developer, you can customize the site further with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Liquid templates. Now, what are the use cases? When should you use Power Pages? Power Pages is perfect when you want to share business data or forms with people outside your organization. Here are few examples: a customer portal for support ticket submissions, a vendor portal for managing orders and inventory, a community site for knowledge sharing or training, or an event registration site with form submission and confirmation flow. These scenarios show how Power Pages fills the gap where traditional app fall short. So let's understand the difference between Power Pages and Power Apps. You might be wondering, how is Power Pages different from Power Apps? Power Apps is mostly used internally, while Power Pages is designed for external audiences. Power Apps are often mobile or desktop internal apps, but Power Pages creates websites. Power Pages add a layer of web styling and public access, which regular canvas or model-driven app don't offer. Now let's build a basic Power Page. So here is a simple overview of the process of building a Power Page site. So we have to choose a template, or we can start from scratch. The second one is we can use the design studio to add pages, text, images, and forms. Now the third one is we can connect to Dataverse table to display or collect data. Now set permissions and security roles to control access. And in the last, we have to publish and share your site with users. So it's simple, secure, and scalable. Now how can we integrate it with the Power Platform? So Power Pages doesn't work in isolation. It integrates seamlessly with other platform tools. So we can use Power Automate to trigger workflows when someone submits a form, or we can embed Power BI dashboard into your sites for analytics. Also, we can add a Power Virtual Agent chatbot to guide users through processes. This integration makes Power Pages a powerful tool in enterprise-level digital transformation. Now, a quick note about licensing. So Power Pages used a site-based licensing model. That means you are billed based on usage, number of authenticated and anonymous user, and number of page views. It's different from Power Apps per user or per app plan. So be sure to check Microsoft's official pricing page if you are implementing it in a real-world scenario. So let's create a real-world scenario. Let's take a simple real-world scenario where a university creates a Power Pages site where students can register for classes, submit queries, and access their schedule. All this data is stored in Dataverse, and workflows are automated using Power Automate. This is exactly the kind of solution Power Pages is built for. So here are some PL-900 exam tips. For your PL-900 exam, make sure you understand what Power Pages is used for, how it compared to other tools like Power App, its core capabilities like authentication, integration, and design tools. You will typically get 1 to 3 questions related to Power Pages in the exam, usually scenario based. So that wraps up our video on Power Pages in the Power Platform. I hope this helped clarify how it works and how it fits into your PL-900 certification journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Power Pro Academy and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and I'll be see you in the next one.